impact of the shutdown trickles all the way down to Milwaukee's Lakefront Brewery. Production of Lakefront's seasonal beer has been stalled for the foreseeable future.
Currently, the recipe has been approved, but we're still waiting on the label to be approved.
Like every brewery in the country, Lakefront must go through the Alcohol and Tobacco Tax and Trade Bureau for label and recipe approval. Lakefront had hoped to release 2 beers in November. Now it looks like they'll miss that deadline.
I'd hope we wouldn't have to scrap, a release.
That could cost the brewery tens of thousands of dollars.
I would guess every craft brewery in the United States right now is probably affected with this somehow.
From beer to brats, at Clements, the launch of new food items has been delayed.
What may have been a January launch may not occur until June.
But what may be the bigger issue is the impact on commodities pricing. Without the government, no one is setting the daily price for meat.
We're really not sure where the meat prices are. So everything locked in as of the day the government shut down.
Right now, commodities buyers are on a sort of honor system, and when the market reopens, expect some wild swings.
So it'll take a few days to straighten out.